everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is LORY JANE. Ayan, kumusta kayong lahat dyan? Hopefully, okay naman kayo. So, ngayon po is i-share ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko inassemble ang aking application for the renewal of working permit and advance parole. So, wala pa ring update guys ang pag-apply ko ng green card or yung adjustment of status. So, chinek ko naman siya online and then until now, ang nakalagay pa rin is my case is still ready to be scheduled for an interview. But, yun nga, hanggang ngayon, wala pa ako nare-receive na interview date galing sa USCIS. So, nakapag-decide ako na i-renew ko na lang muna yung combo card ko. So, remember guys, na allowed kang mag-renew ng combo card mga 6 months or not more than 180 days before sa expiration ng working permit mo. So, by the way, on this video is i-share ko din sa inyo yung mga requirements na in-include ko sa pag-renew ng combo card and then saan isa-send and then paano ko siya in-organize. So, yun nga, sure na ako na i-allowed ako ng USCIS na mag-renew ng combo card kasi nga not more than 180 days mag-expire na yung working permit ko. So this coming September 3, 2021 mag-expire na siya, and then this coming March 17, tomorrow, which is Thursday, is send ko na yung application for renewal ko. And then yun nga, medyo na-confuse ako guys kasi sabi sa instruction sa USCIS, kung i-renew mo rin yung yung travel document mo or advance parole, dapat not more than 120 days before mag-end ang validity ng travel document mo or yung advance parole mo. So, yun nga, as of now, wala pa siyang 120 or more than 120 days pa siya before expiration ng aking travel document. But then, nakapag-decide ako guys na i-renew ko na lang sila at the same time. Kasi meron naman akong mga nabasa sa Facebook group and then yung meron din mga vloggers na pinagsabay nila yung renewal nila for working permit and advance parole and then naging okay naman yung application nila, inaprubahan naman ng USCIS. So, yun nga, itatry ko na lang din na i-renew ang advance parole and working permit at the same time. So, yun na, hopefully, ma-approve ng USCIS itong pag-apply ko ng renewal. So, ngayon guys, is ipapakita ko na sa inyo kung paano ko inassemble. So, please keep on watching. So, ito yung envelope na paglalagyan ko ng mga papers or mga requirements for the renewal application for employment authorization document. So, ayan yung envelope guys. And then, ngayon naman is ipapakita ko sa inyo yung format ng cover letter ko. So, pinaka-first, ayan yung tinakpan ko, yung may cover na pink. Bali, nakalagay dyan yung pangalan ko, complete name, and then address ko kung saan ako nakatira ngayon. And then cell phone number and email address. And then date kung kailan ko siya isi-send sa USCIS. So, isi-send ko siya tomorrow, March 17, 2021. And then ito yung address guys kung saan natin isi-send ang application natin. So, yan ay USCIS, Attention, FBAS, PO Box 805-887, Chicago, Illinois, 606804120. So, dyan yung address guys kung saan isi-send. And then, nature of submission, renewal application for employment authorization, document, or I-765. Filing concurrently with renewal application for travel document, I-131. So, to whom it may concern, my adjustment of status application is pending. And then, open and close parenthesis. Nilagay ko dyan yung application number ko na nagsa-start ng MSC and then yung digits or yung receipt number ng application ko for adjustment of status or green card. And then, I am enclosing the following documents in support of my renewal application for employment authorization document. First guys is nag-include ako ng Form G1145, e-notification of application, petition/petition acceptance. So makukuha mo yan sa website ng USCIS. And then 2 passport size photos na may nakalagay na name and alien number ko at the back. And then Form I-765 application for employment authorization document. So ito yung finill-upan natin dati na form. So make sure guys na dapat kunin mo lang sa website ng USCIS yung form na to kasi every now and then nag-update sila ng mga forms. So doon lang tayo palagi kumuha ng forms para updated din yung mga forms na maibibigay natin sa USCIS. Then copies of the following: passport biographical page, K1 visa, then Form I-94 arrival/departure record. So, nakuha ko din yan online online. I-search mo lang, I-94, and then, yun, dadalhin ka sa website nila, and then, pwede kang kumuha doon ng Form I-94 arrival or departure record. Then, marriage certificate, nag-including ako niyan. Then, copy of front and back page of employment authorization document. So, yung combo card natin. And then, copy of I-797 approval notice for employment authorization. So, yun yung na-receive natin guys from USCIS na nakasaad na in-approve nila yung application natin for working permit or employment authorization application. And then, include natin guys yung copy ng notice of action for I-485 application to register permanent residence or adjust status notice or NOA1 para wala tayong babayaran guys na application fee. So ito guys is free lang siya if pending yung application natin for green card or adjustment of status. And then copy of tier of portion, the barcode that came when I received my previous combo card. So, naalala nyo guys, na na-receive nyo yung combo card nyo, bali, nakadikit siya sa isang papel o yung tinatawag na tier of portion. So, if wala kayo niyan or tinapon nyo na, okay lang naman guys. And then, mas okay kung i-include nyo kasi mas mapapabilis daw ang pag-process nila ng application natin for renewal of combo card. So, yun yung nakalagay sa tier of portion na paper na yon. But then, if wala na nga, okay lang guys na hindi kayo mag-include nyan. So, yan, scan copies of forms and documents submitted are exact copies of unaltered documents. And I understand that I may be submitting original copies of documents to an officer when requested. Thank you very much. Sincerely, nakalagay dyan yung pangalan ko, complete name, and then don't forget the signature. So, ayan guys. Yun yung mga requirements sa pag-process ng renewal of combo card. Or specifically, pag-process ng renewal of working permit. So, ayan. So, ito naman yung envelope na paglalagyan ko ng renewal application for travel document or I-131. So, ito guys. Actually, same lang sila ng requirements ng application for renewal of working permit. Ang pinakaiba lang nito guys is, yun, form I-131 application for travel document yung ilalagay mo instead Form I-765. So, ayan. And then, syempre, i-include mo din yung approval notice na na-receive mo from USCIS na nakasaad na inaprubahan nila yung application mo for travel document. So, yun lang yung pinakaiba nila, guys. Ayan. Same lang sila ng format ng working permit for my cover letter. So, ganyan siya. Ayan. Okay? So, tomorrow, isi-send ko na siya through USPS. And then, dito ko siya ilalagay, guys, sa malaking envelope na to. Bale, ganito siya. So, dito ko ilalagay yung address ng USCIS, which is yun nga, USCIS PO Box 8, wait, papakita ko. Ayan, ito yung address again. Ayan, dyan ko isi-send ang aking application. And then, of course, dito sa taas is yung address ko. So, ayan, ready to send na yung application ko for renewal of combo card tomorrow. So, wish me luck. And thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate it. So, once again, have a good day today and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Bye-bye.